As of now, quiz 1 is gumawa na ako ng quiz 1. As of now, quiz 1 is multiple choice. Okay, that is biology of periodontium and periodontal examination and charting. You will still have, you will also take quiz 2. So, wala pa ako nagagawang quiz 2. So, let's see if it's also multiple choice or not. Okay. For quiz 2, coverage will be quiz 1. We haven't discussed risk assessment na. Wala pang risk assessment. Have we finished discussing that one? Can you check? Wala pa? Okay, so I'll just announce in the GC the coverage for quiz 2. Okay. Okay, so pagod na ako. Wait lang ha. Paano magiging MCQ? May mga naka-off yung cam. Diba? So, this is pathogenesis of chronic inflammatory periodontal disease, second part. Okay. Objective of the lecture the following. We have described the pathogenesis of chronic inflammatory periodontal disease, then enumerate the different macrophage products and describe their effect in the periodontium, and differentiate innate immunity from adaptive immunity in periodontitis. So by the end of this lecture, you should know the difference between the innate immunity and adaptive immunity. Last week, we have discussed this one, the pristine gingiva, histologic perfection, clinically healthy gingiva, that's the initial lesion of Page and Schroeder, early gingivitis, that's the early lesion of Page and Schroeder, established gingivitis is an established lesion without any bone loss or attachment loss. And periodontitis, that's also established lesion, but this time around, there's bone loss as well as attachment loss or the apical migration of the junctional epithelium or epithelial migration. We have here the pathogenesis of periodontal disease, the acute bacterial challenge phase, acute inflammatory response phase, immune response phase, and regulation and resolution phase. And we will be discussing this later. Okay. For now, let's review the pellicle formation. So pellicle formation starts 30 minutes after toothbrushing, right? It forms because of the glycoproteins present in our saliva called the mucin. Okay. The pellicle would function